Ever wished you could take your photos from good to absolutely stunning, achieving that magazine-cover look without it appearing fake? Welcome to the ultimate Photoshop Cc Photo Surgery, where we'll transform ordinary pictures into extraordinary masterpieces. First, we'll explore how to smooth skin for a perfect complexion. Begin by duplicating the base layer to keep the original safe. Use the lasso tool to carefully select a small area of the skin. Then go to the filters, blur, and Gaussian blur for fine control. Reduce the opacity of the layer to allow the enhanced look to still appear like skin, not plastic. Next, we'll address blemish removal utilizing the spot healing brush. Carefully click on imperfections like blemishes or unwanted spots. Watch them instantly vanish. Remember, to maintain natural-looking skin, use the brush size to match the size of the area you are removing. Now, for object removal, let's say there's a distraction in the background. Select the object you want to vanish with the lasso tool. Then go to Edit, then Fill, choosing Contour for seamless results. Observe how Photoshop intelligently replaces the object. In just moments, we've revitalized our image. Remember, these are just the basics. With practice, you can master these techniques and more to elevate every single one of your portraits to a professional level. Get creative and happy editing.